Welcome back to DigitalCyberTech, your go-to channel for the latest updates and insights in the world of cybersecurity and technology. Today we've got some critical news to discuss, spanning from a massive global IT outage to sophisticated cyber espionage campaigns. So, let's dive right in. Our top story today focuses on a massive IT outage that has affected airlines, hospitals, media outlets, and banks across multiple countries. This widespread disruption has caused significant chaos and raised serious concerns about the vulnerability of our interconnected digital infrastructure. International airports in India, Hong Kong, the UK, and the US have all reported issues, with many airlines grounding flights and experiencing significant delays. Hospitals have been forced to cancel surgeries, and emergency services in the US state of Alaska warned that their 911 system might be unavailable. Simultaneously, hospitals in multiple cities experienced failures in their electronic health record systems, forcing them to revert to paper-based processes and postpone non-emergency procedures. Major media organizations also face difficulties, with some news websites going offline and TV broadcasts experiencing technical glitches. Several large banks reported that their online banking platforms and ATM networks were down, leaving customers unable to access their accounts or withdraw cash. The cause of this massive outage was traced back to a defective software update from cybersecurity firm CrowdStrike. Their Falcon sensor software, which is used on Microsoft Windows hosts, malfunctioned, leading to what's commonly known as the blue screen of death. This effectively crippled systems worldwide. CrowdStrike has since identified and isolated the issue, and a fix has been deployed. They assured everyone that this was not a cyber attack. The impact of this outage has been far-reaching. Broadcast networks in Australia, such as Sky News, went off air. Supermarkets like Coles in Australia face payment system failures. Hospitals in Germany and Israel reported disruptions, as did GP services in the UK. Travel plans were thrown into disarray worldwide, with over 1,000 flights cancelled. Moving on to our second story, we have a concerning development in the world of mobile security. A pro-Houthi group has been targeting humanitarian organizations in Yemen with sophisticated Android spyware. This campaign, codenamed Oil Alpha, has been using malicious apps disguised as legitimate humanitarian aid tools to harvest sensitive information from aid workers' devices. The attackers have been specifically targeting organizations such as CARE International, the Norwegian Refugee Council, and the Saudi Arabian King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center. These malicious apps distributed via WhatsApp, which contain the SpyMax Trojan, request intrusive permissions that allow them to steal victim data. This campaign also includes a credential harvesting component, using fake login pages to steal users' account information. The suspected goal is to gather intelligence that could be used to control aid distribution in the region. Our third story takes us to the world of state-sponsored hacking. The notorious China-based APT41 group has been conducting a sustained campaign against organizations in multiple countries, including Italy, Spain, Taiwan, Turkey, and the UK. This campaign has primarily targeted companies in the shipping, logistics, media, entertainment, technology, and automotive sectors. APT41 has successfully maintained long-term unauthorized access to numerous victims' networks, allowing them to extract sensitive data over extended periods. The group has been using a combination of web shells, custom droppers, and publicly available tools to achieve persistence and exfiltrate data. They've also been abusing legitimate services like Google Workspace and Microsoft OneDrive to conceal their activities. In our fourth story, we have a warning about a deceptive piece of adware. Cybersecurity researchers have uncovered an adware module called HotPage, disguised as an AdBlocker. This malware not only intercepts browser traffic, but also installs a kernel driver, allowing attackers to execute code with elevated permissions on Windows systems. ESET researchers noted that the malware can modify or replace web page content, redirect users, and harvest system information, making it a significant threat. Finally, our fifth story emphasizes the critical importance of identity intelligence in safeguarding personal and corporate identities. With the rising threat of credential theft and account takeovers, organizations need robust systems to detect and respond to compromised credentials quickly. Identity intelligence provides contextual and relevant threat data, allowing security teams to discover compromised credentials in cybercriminal marketplaces before they can be exploited. This proactive approach can significantly reduce the risk of data breaches and financial losses. That's all for today's cybersecurity news roundup. Thank you for watching Digital CyberTech. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updates. Stay safe, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.